Oh, so look, so here you go, Nagora. He's bought you this lovely. So Jay's been spending money. There you go, Nagora. Special present for you.
It's not from Jason, it's from Gaston.
You will have to make him dinner for this.
It's alright.
Okay, so just down here, the first example of people with 4x4s. Now, he's in a lane to go straight ahead. I guarantee he's going to push his way in to turn right. So let's have a look. See his indicator come on. Trying to bully his way in. There he goes, look. So he pushes down the queue, barges into it. For how long? You got to wait for the arrow light to change. So yeah, and I noticed this on my driving the other day. That I mean, there are a lot of 4x4s over here, but they do tend to be bullies. I think they're bigger than everyone else, so they can do what they like. Let me know what you think, especially you 4x4 drivers. Yeah, hello Cheap Dave here. It's Monday, just gone 2 o'clock, about 2:10. This is Pattaya at the moment. We've got a rather big storm coming in. See the dark clouds over there, even darker over there. So when it kicks off, I'll give you a time and show you what it looks like in one of our thunderstorms. We just had a bit of lightning over there. You can see it's very hazy in the distance. You should hear some thunder. There you go. And here it comes. So this haze is actually reached us now. I'll shut this door a little bit. Don't want the water coming in here. I think I'm going to have to shut the door. Rain coming in there, window. Hello Cheap Dave here. What are we up to today? So it's Tuesday and the condo, the electric's going up from 9 o'clock till 5 o'clock. So we thought we'd go out and about. So we started just off Threepsit Road down the end there, the busy road. If you look over the top there, that yellow top there, that's view to A 1B building, and the one down there, building A, you've got Park Tower over there. So you've got a good idea where we are. We're not far away from home. So last time I come down here, all of these were like little units, like shopping units, no doors on the front, and they pulled them all down. So don't know what the plans are for the future for that. So where are we? What are we doing? We're getting the car washed. There we go, easy wash, easy car wash, represent soy 17. We'll go and have a little look. Yeah, we're feeling a bit lazy today, so we're not cleaning the bike ourselves. We'll just have a little look. There you got a big motor there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people on it, cleaning it. Here are your prices. So we're looking at large motorbike, I think. Might get away with small motorbike, so it's either 100 baht or 150, so either £2 or £3 ish, just over. So yeah, doing this Mercedes, this black Mercedes, looking very nice, sparkling. Got a ramp so they can do the underneath of cars and whatever. And we got 2 people on Mad Max. So yeah, gonna get that done. And then we're gonna go shopping, get a few bits in. Got my lad coming over next week from Tenerife. So yeah, that thing there's gleaming now. And then we'll get a thunderstorm and it'll be covered in crap again. There's Amanda looking very, very busy. Yeah. So that's how near the car wash is to Pattaya 1. Okay, so that's Mad Max all clean, all done. Time to go shopping. That was 100 baht, so you're talking just over £2. Not bad at all. What do you reckon? Hold on. Bumpy.
You or me? You or me?
No, not me. You Bumpy.
Headmasters.